Okay, so I'm here with Nets, who are the main sponsor of the Lean Healthcare Awards. We have Ian here from Nets and Des from Infinite, who is the developer of their new app, which they are showing today. At first, if you could tell me what Nets actually does.
Nets, it's the North East Transformation System. It's a lean-based methodology that we've developed in the North East of England, and we operate as an improvement collaborative involving foundation trusts, commissioners and improvement networks. We're sponsoring the awards for the third year running. We have won awards here before that, and we found it an excellent event for us to get people locally using the Nets methodology to write up what they've done and give us improvement case stories from their work using the Nets methodology. This year we've taken some of our Nets approach and put it into a tablet device, into an iPad, to take away some of the replication that you get with paper-based tools when they're taken back to the office and then recreated electronically. And I've got my colleague Des, he's here with me today to help show people the app and get the word out to lean practitioners that there's a new tool that might help them to do their work in a more convenient way.
And how is this app available to anyone then?
It is literally just been launched today. We've built the app with this event in mind to bring it here to this lean practitioner audience, and it should be going, a version of it should be going on the App Store within the next month or two, and we're also making it available to customers direct from Nets in various formats. So it's a brand new product just about to go to the market.
And how is there a cost associated to that? Do they have to already be a member of Nets, or can they buy it separately if they're not?
A member of Nets. If anybody was interested in learning more about it, they can get in touch with us and we can tell them the options that we have available.
Very good. And quite a few of the people here today are they're associated with Nets. They work with you, don't they?
They are people who use our methodology. We promote the Lean Awards quite well in the North East, and I think it's because of that we get quite a lot of our people who are doing lean work using our approach to put their projects forward for awards.
Okay, good. Des, would you like to talk us through how the app works?
Absolutely. So we began work with Ian and the team about a year ago on how we could take a lot of the methodology and the data capturing elements of what they were doing within their work and put it on a tablet device. So the process we used was one of rapid prototyping, very quickly getting ideas down and getting something on a device and in the hands of users to see what people thought of it, and then we fine-tuned that over the last year. With a view to beginning development just at the end of last year, start of December, and as Ian said, it is now in full development. It's now ready to go, and we believe we know it's the only one on the market, and we believe it's actually offering great benefits and features and benefits and value to people who are using the Nets methodology.
It looks very exciting.
Indeed it is. It basically packages up pretty much everything you need to prepare for and run a lean and rapid improvement workshop, right from project setup, from building your project charter. There is a planner tool with all of the tasks and actions that you need to complete to set up a workshop. You can define and plot metrics in process control charts on the fly straight into your app. You can do all of your flow mapping by loading in layouts as background and doing different kind of patient flow mapping straight onto the tablet. You can also build process value stream maps quite easily on the device, and you can even go in and you can time process elements and allocate whether they're operations, inspections, delays straight into the tablet. And finally, it will produce you reports for what you put in. I'm going to drop a couple out because there's an awful lot of these. But the reports will give you your project form report, your summary of your metrics, your tact calculations will come through, your value stream map will come straight out as a report. There's a line balance chart from your value stream map and tact calcs, which you've just seen. Any and all of your standard worksheets will come through with the flow keys already on. Various ones in here. Works just as well for before and after photographs if you're using that approach. And it will build that into a PDF report, and if I wanted to, I could email that to you now straight off that device, and we've got a fairly thorough just like that. We've got a fairly thorough summary of that project activity straight off a tablet. No need to type that into a Word document or spreadsheets. Very mobile.
It's all there.
Very mobile, all there.
It's lovely. It's really well designed. It looks really nice.
Des will be pleased because Des has done the design.
It's really,
the vision
really
and
clear.
concept to me.
Really good.
We're very pleased with it. It's a very strong product, we think.
Yeah. And it's going to be available in the next couple of months.
It will be available in the next couple of months. Yeah.
Excellent. Right. Well, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much indeed.
Cheers.